Hi, Whitney here, GM and daughter with Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, Inc. Here to talk about what can cause a spike in your water bill. Generally, the problem is a water leak, either in your plumbing system within the home or within the water line system coming from your utility company up to your home. Leaky faucets and toilets that run constantly are obvious causes for a high water bill and should be addressed quickly. But what if you can't see where the leak is? Sometimes the leak occurs in a pipe within the walls or in pipes that run below the floor. The leaks are often the result of a worn-out part or a corroded or broken pipe or connection. We have a way to detect those leaks for you and to fix them quickly. Another common source of high water bills is a leak in the main water line leading from the street to your home. If you suspect you have a water line problem, turn off your home's water supply at the main shutoff valve, usually located near the water heater. Once you shut off the water, check your water meter. If the meter is still turning, chances are that you have a leak in your water line. What causes a leak or break in your water line? It could be any of the following: poor installation of the water line, thawing and freezing of the water line, shifting soil under the surface, tree roots which have sought their way to a water source during a dry season, rapidly changing water pressure from the utility source, rodents and other pests, and even old-fashioned wear and tear. Pipes of any material do eventually wear out. If you discover that you do have a leak in your water line, it's time to contact a licensed professional plumber who can diagnose and repair your plumbing problem and ensure you aren't wasting water and money. If you run into any problems with your leaks in your pipes or in your water line and you're located in the Knoxville, Maryville, Oak Ridge, or Lenoir City area, give us a call. We can help.
Call 865-583-3957 or you can book online at pipewrench.com.
And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive other useful homeowner tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.